Using the appointment calendar day view, you can very easily reassign tasks, change the time of the task. For example, if I need to move this install equipment task up for Richard Gold, I can drag it up to 9 o'clock and it'll just reschedule it for there. If I need to make it a longer appointment, you can lengthen it this way. Or if you need to reassign it to a different technician, you can drag it from one cell to the other. If someone's sick, for example, then we can move it over here, and this automatically reschedules all of these tasks. If you need to add a new task, you can just click on it and it'll automatically let you create a new task, like install equipment, choose the project that you're doing, add a long description for the task, change the time. And then that adds the new task right onto the day view.